I don't do anything by halves. This custom build, it's got all the bells and whistles. And if we're going to do something, we're going to do it right. I'm Triggy, a keen sports fisherman from northern Queensland. Behind me here is my custom 19-foot centre console.
Oh, got on that.
Yeah, so the challenge that we have up here is long distance, run to the islands, run to the reef, they're a fair way out. So any little bit of improvement we can get from the trim tabs, it's a must. That southeasters that we get here. So with the trim tabs we can adjust, bow in, put the nose into it as well, which is going to make it safer. If I've got other people in the boat, it's going to give us better fuel economy. The other things we've got too, weight. Like when we go camping off the islands and the reef, we always take way more gear than we should. So, if you've got to, trim it up to the starboard or the port, we've got the option to do all that as well. If you're like me and you want the best performance out of your boat, they're a must-have.
We're out here again. It's carnage. Oh, it's good. We've had a tough day. Massive tides. Took Benny out this little spot here to get some pack of attack. I don't know, it's like 5, 6. Had the hit, missed it, and this guy's just crunched it. At the boat. Just punching casts on pressure points on each one of the islands out here. We knew one was going to produce, we just didn't know which one. Paid dividends again. He's actually a size cone. No. Oh, how's that for a trout?